What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be replacing this factory steering wheel with this Grant steering wheel. And before I get started on this, I just want to take a second and remind you guys to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Click the thumbs up on this video. I also have an Instagram. It is Random Acts of Ryan, all lowercase. Give me a follow if you would. It'd be much appreciated. And once again, make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So first thing you got to do is pop this horn button cover thingamajig off. And then you want to loosen these 3 Phillips screws. So once you got the 3 mounting screws, you want to take a flat blade and just pry this. This is actually the horn button. And then I don't know if you can see in there, this is your horn wiring. You want to disconnect it. So the nut takes a 7/8 socket. Just put it on there and break it loose. So then you just want to take a steering wheel puller and you screw these 2 bolts into the threaded holes only on the steering wheel. And make sure you do not cross thread these. And you basically screw them down even. So you just tighten this until the steering wheel comes free, and just slide it off. So next thing you do is you grab your installation kit for your vehicle from Grant. This one for most of the Dodge and Plymouths is a 3314, and it's going to have all the stuff that you need to adapt to your new Grant steering wheel. And if you have never done this before, I highly recommend reading the instructions. It does come in this kit, and it also gives you a little blueprint of how it's supposed to be installed and pretty detailed instructions. I've done quite a few of these, so I'm not really going to go through that. I'll probably cut back in once I have it halfway complete or the finished product. So the first thing you do is take the hub adapter from your Grant steering wheel installation kit, and you slide it over the spline shaft. There's an arrow on it, and it says top, and you want that obviously facing the top, and that's going to tell you where your center of the steering wheel will be. And you got 3 threaded holes. Next thing you put over is this cover, and then you place the steering wheel up there. And then it comes with 3 shoulder bolts, and you want to finger tighten those, and then make sure everything looks copacetic, and then you put your steering wheel nut on. Yep, there we go. there's the finished product. I just got to straighten this horn button out, but other than that, she is done. And that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. Like and share. Check out my other videos on my channel. And have a good day. And before I go, here's a sneak peek of what my next video will be about. We got some racing seats. So stay tuned.